There are many great things about this car, but I don't know what they were doing with this silver. So we're gonna color match that with the windows, and we're gonna shave these off. So we wanna make this black, so we're gonna get a carbon fiber piece to replace it. First thing we gotta do is get this thing off. For this job, you need a socket wrench and a T30 torque bit. There are 3 bolts up here and 1 down here, and it just pulls off. So we got this carbon fiber wrap on Amazon, link in the description, and we're just gonna stick it on here. Now that we've got it wrapped, we're just gonna mount it right back on.
You like popcorn, huh?
Yeah.
You like popcorn?